Hey guys, here's a quick video showing how to fold our coffin boxes. So basically there's 6 panels. You just go around the box and fold them like you see here. So that very top little panel is going to fold back towards you and the other panels are going to fold over and in towards the box. So you want to go around and pre-fold all 6 of the panels, and then once you have that done, you're going to face it towards you with the bottom towards you and make sure those tiny little tabs right there are up and pointing in. And then you're going to fold the side panels up and over those little tabs. Those little tabs are what's going to kind of lock it in place and keep those side panels up and locked together. So flip that box around, do the same thing on the other end, and they're going to just kind of lock into place just like that. So there is the base of the coffin box. Now let's fold the lid or the cover of the coffin box, and you're going to do the same exact thing. So you're going to pre-fold all 6 of those side panels. Again, you're gonna, that top little piece with the gray stripes, you're gonna fold that back towards you, and everything else is going to fold in towards the middle of the box. So we're folding this last panel here, and then you're going to face it towards you with the bottom of the lid towards you, fold those, tuck those little tabs in, fold the sides up and over, and then lock those sides in. You're going to do the same thing on the top of the lid, fold the sides up and over those little tabs. Those little tabs are what's going to keep everything locked and in place. And here we have the assembled lid. So then you want to take your base and put the lid on, and it's a really nice fit. There might be a little air in the box. You want to squeeze that out a little bit. And there it is.